Hi guys, do you want to know how to use and set up the replay buffer feature on OBS to save your gaming highlights right after the best moments happen? Then you are in the right place. I will show you how to do it easily in just a few simple steps, so you can press one key on your keyboard and save your highlights directly into the right folder on your computer. First, open OBS Studio on your desktop. Click on Settings on the bottom right corner of OBS. In the Settings menu, select the Output tab on the left. If you use the simple mode here, scroll down to find the replay buffer section. Enable the replay buffer by checking the box. Set the maximum replay time to your preferred length. Usually 20 to 30 seconds work the best. Always remember, the more time you give it here and the higher resolution you are recording, the more resources you will take from your PC. So if your computer or especially the hardware like GPU, CPU or RAM is not good or high enough, it can lead to laggy gameplay. Don't forget to click on Apply to save your settings. If you use the advanced mode in the output mode drop down here, click on the replay buffer tab to enable replay buffer and to set your maximum replay time as you wish. And again here, don't forget to click on apply to save your settings. Now click on hotkeys on the left. In the hotkeys section, scroll down and find the save replay option. Set it to F1 as your hotkey to save your highlights. You can use any free key on your keyboard. For me, F1 works the best. Click on apply and then OK to confirm your settings. Now you have the option right here to start and stop the replay buffer. Start the replay buffer and play your game. Right after you had a great moment during your gameplay, just press F1 on your keyboard or the key you have chosen to save replays. The clip will be automatically created and saved into the recording folder or the folder you have chosen here. For my Rocket League clips, I choose this settings 1080p last 30 seconds as a MP4 file, and I created a folder on my desktop for my recordings to have fast access, as you can see here. Thank you for watching and see you next time.